Hello, Spokane.
Hello.
Happy Saturday.
Beautiful Saturday. Sun is shining. Great day for an open house.
Yes, we're doing an open house at our Glen Eagle listing. So we will be here until 3 p.m. today. Kimberly has a nice setup inside for snacks and such. And today, instead of just a little announcement, I'm going to actually try to walk you guys through the home a little bit.
You can check it out.
Yes.
Check out this pond behind us, though. It's amazing. We got to turn the camera around.
All right, I'm going to turn it around.
This little waterfall, beautiful flowers.
Everything's starting to bloom. So it is happening. So we'll just start right here. I guess the idea about this live video is if you guys have any questions while we're doing it, you can ask and I'll try to answer. So I won't do the whole house, but we will do the entry area here and the dining.
Formal dining.
Yes, formal dining. Kimberly's going to be in this for a second. So right off the entry you have a sitting area. Has a fireplace that goes all the way through to the other side. It's kind of different. Really nice hardwood floors, oak floors. Nice natural lights.
Beautiful staircase going up to your primary suite.
Yeah, sure. And a couple bedrooms up there. All right. Again, I'm not going to go through every nook and cranny. This is the updated kitchen with gas fireplace. Updated decks. Mount Spokane is in the distance. Might be able to get a little better view in a minute. Open house snacks. Brent, thank you for the comment. Yes, brilliant. I think you're talking about the house. So I'm going to walk out to the deck. Maybe Kimberly could get the doors. Thank you. So there is an HOA here. Does do water, sewer. You can put fences in now, even though I guess you can kind of see a fence in the background over there. You can have fences, but very nice and quiet. Let's see if we can get Mount Spokane in the background. You got a little view of Mount Spokane. All right, you guys. We will be here till 3 p.m. If you can stop by and see us, that would be great. We'd appreciate it. If you're not doing open houses today, I hope you're outside because it is beautiful. We'll talk to you again soon. Take care. I don't know how to end this thing. Slow connection. All right, well, end with a banner shot.